Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this short video I'm going to teach you how to fix Messenger app notification not showing on iPhone. Let's start the video. First, open the settings app on your iOS device. On the settings, scroll down and tap general. Now scroll down again and tap background app refresh. Then tap background app refresh at the top of the page. Here, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back to settings menu. Scroll down to find Messenger and tap it. On the Messenger app, tap notifications. Here, turn on allow notifications. After that, tap on show previews and then make sure that always default is selected. Now go back to home screen and open the control center. On the control center, tap do not disturb. Here, make sure that do not disturb is disabled. If it's on, turn it off.